Okay, hello. This is Mr. Child, all dressed up, no hat today, getting back to basics of attire and attitude of teaching. This is Math for the Trades, and this is May 4th. Those of you who like Star Wars, which I don't, I like Star Trek, but May the 4th be with you, those of you who are like that. So I will try to make you happy. Okay, let's do what we do every session. Let's back up a little. And we are in a remote learning session now, virtual learning. We're in a very unusual time in American history. So we've been doing lessons, and we're in phase 3 now. And phase 3, we decided that there was supposed to be only one actual assignment a week, but I would like to check in with you 3 times. So I'm going to check in with you on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but there'll only be one assignment. So I will give that to you today. And once again, it is a review. So if I'll try to get the board entirely in. Give me a moment to do that. All right, I think we can basically work with that. What I would like to do today is kind of a review for some of you. I had some of you when you were a freshman, and I thought it might be good to do this assignment. It is a review of mean, median, and mode. The 3 M's of statistics. Okay, mean, median, and mode. So let's go through each one of them. Let's start with the mean. The mean is the same thing as saying the average, where you add, we'll go like this, add them all up and divide by how many there are. Okay, so for us, what I'm going to have you do this week, I thought was nice. We had just such a wonderful weekend. Wow, that was a long time coming. But when it finally came, wasn't it nice? I thought so. So what I thought I would have you do today is kind of like what we did there back when you were freshmen, is kind of get a look at the weather. You know, we don't have the weather app or anything, but that's okay. You can look online and pick a specific time of the day to do the same. You know, don't do it at different times. Do it at the same time. So let's say if it was 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, do it on 12 o'clock each day, okay? So this week, I think the weather will go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And let's say on Monday, I think this week the weather's supposed to be somewhat in the 50s. So let's say it was 52 degrees. Tuesday, 54. Wednesday, 50. Thursday, let's say it got warm, 59. And Friday, 50. I want to do one with 2. I will say 52. Okay? So first thing we want to do is to find the mean. So I'm going to add them all up. So we got 6, 15, 17, carry the 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, 26, So a total of 267. 267 divided by the 5 days, Monday to Friday. 5 goes into 26 5 times, leaves you 20. You can either leave this as a fraction, so it would be 53 2/5, or like we did last week, you could divide the bottom into the top and get 0.4. So the answer would be, for mean, would be 53.4. Okay, so that's the first step. Then we'll erase everything dealing with the mean. We'll keep the, don't erase your temperatures though, because you'll need them again. Then we'll do the median. Well, one more erasure here. The median, now we'll go with median, is put them in order. Put in order. That will be step 1. So where's our lowest? We'll go 50. Then there are a couple of 52s. Then there's a 54. And then there's a 59. So the first thing we'll want to do is to know how many there are. How many there are. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have to say to yourself, what is the middle one of 5? So some people like to go, with 5. I think it's pretty obvious anyway. But if you were going to do it with more, you could keep going towards the center until you got to the third one. And that is your median. So I will say, put in order, find middle number. And that's it. So the median would be 52. Then finally, we'll do the mode. And mode is just the most occurring number. Now, sometime there might not be a mode, because there might only be numbers that only are shown one time. But here we do have a mode, don't we? We have 252, so that will be the mode. Okay? So that's the assignment of the week. You really won't be able to do it until Friday, because you need all the data. But collect the temperature at the same time each day, and then do mean, median, and mode, just like I did here. And that will be it. Okay, so remember, all assignments that are online, you can still do it. The only thing I would ask you is, when you send it to me, make sure you write the date, the proper date on. It's kind of hard with a lot of emails from 6 different classes coming in to line them up with the appropriate assignment. So if you wrote the date, I'm starting to write the date for the assignment, date and what it is. That would be great. Okay, I hope you have a good week, and I will see you on Wednesday, and we'll go from there. Bye.